We got a good dose of wet weather, really started to ramp up after midnight. There have been some heavier pockets, one of which is moving right through the Triad right now, especially north of I-85. You notice you look down on the left-hand side of your screen, it will lighten up a bit, and this is kind of the pattern today. We'll have some heavier intervals, especially in the morning, and then it becomes kind of lighter and patchy and a little more intermittent, and then another wave comes through later on. You can see estimated rainfall has been highest over the Triad, including in Winston-Salem up in Greensboro, getting into the Reidsville area and into Caswell County. We've seen some impressive rainfall totals just since midnight. 1.35 inches of rain unofficially in Greensboro, just over 3/4 of an inch in Winston-Salem. And also we've had some lighter totals in our western counties. There'll be some pockets of good rain moving through there as well. Additional rain from those totals that you just saw. Another ½ an inch at PTI Airport. Could see a little bit more than that in Winston-Salem, but this should bring rainfall totals somewhere in the 1 to 2 inch range by the time this starts to wind down sometime later this evening. So a good pocket coming through now. Becomes a little patchy and lighter, and then you got some other more heavier intervals. Notice that the majority of this is north of I-85. We're expecting much less rainfall, maybe southern Davidson County, Randolph County, especially in the morning. I anticipate the whole axis of this starts to shift eastward. By this afternoon, that should really more evenly distribute the rain over our area. We've also got several tornado watches, Alabama down south and west all the way to eastern portions of Louisiana. Could see some tornadoes today. We have a few active warnings in central and southern Mississippi, but notice we have a thunder threat, but nothing really imminent as far as heavy winds or hail or anything like that. Now, having said that, the winds in the atmosphere are going to get stronger today, and so we're going to have some gusty showers with some isolated storms moving through the area at times. Could see a few of those this morning. Visibility limited, and especially while it's still dark, we do strongly encourage you to stay home until conditions begin to improve. Roads are wet, we're seeing some ponding of water on roadways in addition to the limited visibility. Just not fun to travel, especially when things are pretty dark out there. So the best rains will start to come through midday today. Then I think we start to see this taper off. Notice the rain will ease eastward and focus a little bit more into southern counties that it's currently not doing. Temperatures stay in the 60s even through this evening. We'll finally start to see some colder air along the front that will start to swing through later tonight and finally bring an end to the rain. Once that happens, temperatures start to crash. We'll be near freezing by this time tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the Triad will likely be in the low to mid 40s. Models trying to bring a little bit of wet weather in. We'll see how that goes for Sunday. Looking drier for sure, but also colder and windy. Temperatures up near 70 degrees today. Southwest winds at 10 to 20, gusting to 25. Main impact window is now through mid-afternoon today. Then it becomes a little more spotty through the evening hours. Mid-60s in the foothills. Mountain temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for most of the day with a southerly wind. And again, things start to taper off later on. The last thing I want to show you is those winds picking up. Gusts to 30 miles per hour possible in the Triad through this afternoon. Could also impact the Panthers game today. And then tomorrow, colder winds start to move in behind this storm system. And we could see quite a bit of wind coming through tomorrow afternoon. Gusts to 50 in the mountains potentially, gusts to 40 in the Triad. It's going to be a colder day too.